Hi guys, welcome to Quintuple channel. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining you how to set up a Tomcat in your local environment and how to start a server and check the server is up or running. So what is Tomcat? Apache Tomcat is an open source web server. It is used for serving the Java based web applications. It can be JSP application, or it can be a Spring Boot application, or it can be a Spring MVC application, or it can be any framework application which are built using the Java. So it is basically this server is used for only for Java applications. And if you want to serve the static pages also, you can serve it Apache Tomcat. It can be an Angular production build applications, or it can be a normal static HTML contents. So it is used for that. So basically the world, all over the world, the Tomcat is the best server for choosing for the Java applications. So let's go step by step and check how to set up the Tomcat and run in a local environment. So in this video, I'll be setting up the Apache Tomcat 9, that is the latest version. So I'll be sharing this description in the below link, below comments. So in this, what we can do in a sense, we can download the Tomcat. So since it is my in a local environment, I'll be downloading the Tomcat here. Yes. So I downloaded Tomcat into my local environment, that is nothing but desktop. So before we start, okay, so I may need to give the read write execute permission for the folder. So I given a read write execute for the directory, entire directory. So we need to go to the Apache Tomcat folder and let's start the Tomcat. So once it is saying as Tomcat is started, let's go to the browser and check the Tomcat is started. By default, the Tomcat port is 8080. I'll be showing you the next video, upcoming videos, how to change the port and what are the security configurations we can make it to the Tomcat related stuff. And if the Tomcat is running, you can just verify by in a browser the Tomcat is running. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Since it's a new channel, we'll be facing some problems. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. It will be helpful for our team. Thank you.